is Rebecca Ruiz. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the Say Cheese Classic Mouse collection by Siimple Stories, which is one of their newest collection, and let me tell you, it is gorgeous. You're going to love it if you are a theme park fan like I am. The colors are amazing and the design are just the cutest things in the world. These are the 12 by 12 papers. They are double-sided and there are 12 different designs. You can get the collection kit or you can buy them individually. The first two papers, if you see them, you can use them to create double pages or use them individually. Some of the papers are cut apart as always in their collections. Look how cute they are. These are the tax paper. The mouse are just so pretty. The journaling cards, the 3x4 cards, a mix of 4x4 and 2x2 cards, the 6x4 cards. You can document your photos of your theme park's adventure, but also you can document birthday and some nice memories of your childhood with this collection because they are really cute. Now let's take a look into the embellishment. These are the washi tapes. There are 5 different designs, the enamel dots, decorative brads with some chipboard shapes there, the chipboard frames, which are so cute. Look at them. You have some that you can use with 3x4 photos, but also with 4x6 or 6x4. And they are a great addition to mini albums, pages, and paper crafts. These are the rubans, 2 sheets in the pack. And this is the sticker book. As always, it's a great value for your money. There are 12 different sheets of a sticker with 307 stickers in total, from circles, shapes, letters. These are the 6x8 papers. This is the pad. There you can find some exclusive designs that are only available in the 6x8 pad, and also smaller versions of the journaling cards and tags of the 12x12. They are really cute. These are the foam stickers, great titles and shapes, and these are the chipboard. I don't have them on hand, but these are the designs available. And now let's take a look into the different die cut. The first one is the big bits. There are 19 different shapes. Look how cute they are. They are really big, and you can use them in your pages, in cards, to create clusters, and also in your album. The next one is the bits and pieces. There are 55 pieces here. This is the biggest pack, and you can find shapes and labels, cards, all sort of things. Clips, hearts. They are a really great arrangement of designs, and you can use them to embellish your projects and create beautiful clusters. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and inspiration using all of these collections. All the links to my social media are in the description box. The next one is the journal bits. There are 28 different pieces. Look how cute those mouths are. And you can use these pieces to document your memories or to create clusters with them. They're really nice. And the last one is the page pieces. These have 19 pieces, and you have on the back side of the pack an idea of how to use them to create a double page, or you can use them as you want to create your own design. Thank you so much for staying with me during this video. That's all for this collection. I hope you like it, and don't forget to ask your retailer for it so you can create beautiful projects with it. Bye!